Well, today I'm going to drive around my neighborhood and try to identify some of the potential challenges that the Tesla Cybertruck Autopark feature still may have in order to identify available parking spaces. So first I'm going to drive along this side of the street, and as you can see that if the side of the street is fairly flat and with the well-identified parking spaces, the Autopark feature seems to be able to do a good job to be able to identify available parking spaces. And next, I'm going to drive past the dedicated parking spaces and try to see how well the Autopark can identify available free spaces that can be used for parking. So I'm currently around this dead end roundabout area, and although we should have available spaces for parking along the street, but the Autopark is not identifying those areas, curbsides, as available for parking. And then it found one area here. Another area that definitely Autopark is not able to park autonomously is when we have car garages that are connected to the street with a slope or the ramp. In this case, I can drive as close as to the driveway going up to the garage. But as long as the driveway to the garage is sloped, and then the Autopark will not be able to recognize any of the driveway with the slope to be available to engage the Autopark feature. So it seems right now the Autopark feature is really hesitant to go up or down the ramp that is not flat towards the initial position of the car. So all those driveway with the slope will not be identified as available parking spaces for the autonomous parking feature. So Tesla still have more things to do in order to find solutions so that the autonomous driving functions can go up and down the slope or ramp.